Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. Now I'm analyzing this is share Kotak Mahindra Bank, and if you also want to learn from me, you can join my course which will start around 10th of May, and it is a very good course. It will be a 20-day course, 20 lectures, 8 hours straight. Each lecture will be of 8 hours, and if you want to learn, you can join me from there. The link is in the description box on how to contact me or what. Okay, so let's talk there also. If you watch this stock Kotak Bank, you will find out that, oh, I forgot to mention that, yeah, I am analyzing this stock on someone's special request, okay, on my YouTube channel. And if you are watching, then please comment that you have seen this analysis. It will be grateful of you to do so. Now let's analyze this stock Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, if you will watch this stock, you will see that this level will act as a support 1732, and this level 1680 will also act as support for this stock. Why? Because at this point the sellers have come in the market and now the buyers will try to defend this price. Okay, what has happened in this stock? See, if the stock is not making the pattern which I am looking at, this pattern, if it is not in a mood to make this sort of a pattern, then it's fine. And if it is in a mood to make this sort of a pattern, then I am sorry to say that the stock will eventually fall till 1440 rupees. Why? Because if this stock is making M sort of a pattern, then it will actually try to test the start point of this pattern, and this was the start point of this pattern, 1440 rupees. Okay, one thing. And what about the second thing? See, many of the investors are investing in this stock. Okay, many big investors, not just the investors, many big investors are investing in this stock. They are foreign investors. Okay, there are domestic investors, there are many banks who are investing in this stock, and this stock actually has its own AMC, asset management company. Okay, so that is also investing in this stock. So this stock has few operators, or you can say few big investors, which will actually eventually try to take the price up of this stock, right? And what has happened with this stock? See, the stock was falling every day, falling, tested 1618 from the lifetime high. Okay, from the lifetime high of 2020 rupees, the stock has fallen. It has fallen from 31st December till 28th of January, and then again started to move towards the upside, again fall for 1 month. Okay, and the stock is not actually sustaining this 1700 to 2000 level, right? It is taking resistance of this level also, 1890 rupees, or you can say 1880 rupees. Okay, it is taking resistance of this level also. This is the median point. It is taking resistance of this level also, 1944. See, it took resistance here, couldn't go above this level, took resistance here, started to fall. So this stock has 1944 as a resistance, and 2024 also as a resistance, right? And if the stock doesn't go above these levels, it will fall, right? What is the short term resistance of this stock? See, this stock is actually taking resistance of this trend line, right? This trend line, but it is showing signs of reversal, right? It is showing signs of reversal. That is secondary, that this stock took resistance at this level and started to fall, but still it is showing signs of reversal, right? What can happen in near future? See, if the stock manages to close above this level 1824, if any 15-minute candle manages to close above 1824 and 1843, then only consider buying this stock. Okay, and if the stock goes below this level, okay, then you should consider averaging this stock at this level. Okay, and this is naked chart, right? And if you want to analyze this in Fibonacci levels, okay, if you want to analyze this in Fibonacci levels, you can analyze it like this. See, from 999 to 2052, okay, the stock still has a retracement level tested around 1650 rupees. Okay, so you should keep your stop loss just below this level 1650. You can keep your stop loss around 1620 or 1572 if you are a long term buyer for this stock and you have invested around this region, okay, below this level. Okay, and if you want to average this stock, you can average around 1526 to 1500 rupee region. Okay, because if the stock goes below this level 1671 1650, then the stock will test 1577 1526 1500 rupees. So this is the time for accumulating this stock. If you are an investor, then don't get panic. Okay, stay invested, because in 5 to 10 years market will double triple from this level. Okay, so thank you for watching my analysis on Kotak Bank. If you want to join my classes, you can contact me from the link in description. Thank you for watching.